If you've been scrolling on your phone all day, then here's a sign to stop scrolling and start punching. Needle. All we can do is try every single hobby and see if it cures us of our depression and anxiety. Punch needling and rug tufting kind of blew up a few years ago. I never tried it till recently because I thought it looked really hard and expensive, but it's not. You can actually get a punch needle at the dollar store. You can get wool from the dollar store or the thrift store even. You don't have to be some prolific artist to start. Trust me, it's way easier than it looks. I've compiled a huge list of things that you can try. Let's get into it. Keyboard rest. Productivity hack, make that desk feel a little bit cuter so it doesn't feel like punishment having to sit at it all day. Pop socket cover. If you can't put down your phone, at least make holding it softer. Phone case. Just cut a patch that fits your phone, tuft it, glue it on a case, boom. iPad or laptop sleeve. You can double as a pillow if you're having a mental breakdown. Please let this be your reminder that you don't need to be good at crafts. You don't need to be good at art. You don't need to be good at being creative. You just need to let yourself try. And if you don't think you're creative, you can still pull this off. Honestly, it might be the craft that gets you out of bed. It's soft, it's weirdly addictive, and you can punch needle almost anything. Even just starting one tiny project is proof that you can create joy for yourself, especially on those hard days. Crafts don't cure everything, but they can carve out a moment of peace. Hair accessories. Punch needling can make some pretty surprisingly wearable pieces. I love wearable art. I call it self-care. Brooch pin. No sewing, no stress, removable, low commitment. We love low commitment here. Clothing applique. This is probably my favorite on the list. You hand sew or even fabric glue any tufted shapes right onto your jacket or jeans. Outerwear. And remember, you don't have to finish a rug or master a technique. I think even showing up for yourself just a little bit counts. Slippers. Try something new, even if you suck. It works every time, but the hardest part is just getting out of bed and starting. Plant cozy. Knit that pot a sweater. Super budget way to do this is to wrap yarn or fabric around a can. Seat covers. Just one tiny punch needle project can kind of make your space feel just a little bit cozier. Flower vase. This one is super easy. All you have to do is wrap a tufted sleeve around a mason jar and you're done. Storage. I'm a firm believer that a tiny shift in your room can absolutely shift your whole mood. Magnet. Hella easy, just stick a magnet to the back of a tiny swatch. Picture frame. Frames can be as memorable as the photo that's inside. And this would be a beautiful gift, I think, to give someone. Lampshade. I don't know how you do that, but I thought they were cute. I just want to show you. Throw pillow. Truly, a cozy corner can shift your whole day. When I'm not feeling good, I find myself just staring at the wall, and I wouldn't mind if the wall looked a little bit cuter. Murals. I define a mural as something that maybe you would see when you're in an art gallery. Mirror frames. If I'm going to be staring at that mirror, contemplating my life, I want it to hype me up. Super easy. You can just get a cheap mirror from the dollar store and glue your tufted strips around the edge. Wall hanging. Quick hack, just glue your piece onto a stick or a dowel and it's wall art in minutes. Garland. Just string mini tufted shapes on yarn. Cute. Decals. I love decals. I think that'd be super cute to kind of have a theme. Use some removable tape. Placemat. Maybe you don't feel like making a fancy dinner for yourself. At least it'd be nice to put it on something kind of cute and make you feel like you tried a little bit. Coaster. I'm betting that the first time you ever saw rug tufting was somebody making coasters. That's how I was first introduced to it anyways. Catch-all. Think coaster, but shaped in anything but a circle or a square. Glasses or sunglasses mat. This is something I actually need because I'm forever just scuffing up my sunglasses. I'm talking doormats, accent rugs, big giant square rugs, rugs in different shapes. Anything to step on. They can be tiny, decorative, or huge. And you know, if a rug is what you want to make first, just remember, a rug does not have to be perfect. It's something you're going to be stepping on anyways, going to get all schmutz on it one day. So here's the thing, you don't have to tuft a giant rug to feel like you're creative or to feel like you're an artist. You don't even have to finish. Just start, just punch a few little lines, just get some supplies, some cheap dollar store yarn, cheap dollar store tufting needle. Try for 5 minutes. If you hate it, I'm sorry. Hopefully something resonates with you. If it does, totally leave something in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.